Welcome to LearnWap, the future of learning. Today, we are going to talk about 10 daily mistakes that keep you poor and how to fix them. In today's video, we'll explore the habits that keep people stuck in mediocrity. Consider this an opportunity to reflect on your current lifestyle and identify ways to improve. 1. Poor people watch too much TV. Instead of passively consuming endless TV shows and celebrity gossip, rich people focus on creating content or opportunities. Disconnecting from reality through television is a missed chance to address and solve your own problems. 2. Fast food over healthy choices. Health is critical to success, yet poor people often neglect nutrition. Junk food damages physical and mental performance, affecting every aspect of life. Investing in health gives the rich a competitive edge. 3. Buying on sale. Rich people invest in quality over quantity, while poor people chase sales. Clothes on sale were rejected by those who could afford the full price. True wealth lies in increasing income, not stretching what's left. 4. Sleeping in. Instead of waking early. Successful people use mornings to focus on growth. Waking up late is a missed opportunity for self-improvement, leaving the poor lagging behind. The most successful people, like Elon Musk or Warren Buffett, start their day early. 5. Obsessed with sports without participating. Unless you're directly involved in sports as a player or owner, watching games adds no value to your life. Being a spectator in life, rather than a player, limits your personal growth. 6. Poor hygiene. Good hygiene is essential for success. Poor personal care can damage professional relationships and personal interactions, leading to fewer opportunities. Starting your day with a shower can be a game changer. 7. Blaming others for failure. Poor people often blame circumstances for their situation, while the wealthy take responsibility. Instead of being a victim, successful people analyze failures, learn from them, and move forward. 8. No savings. Poor people tend to live paycheck to paycheck, with no financial cushion for emergencies or opportunities. Having savings allows the rich to thrive in both good and bad times. 9. Misusing credit for non-essential purchases. The poor often use loans or credit for liabilities, like gadgets or luxury items. Rich people only take on debt if it generates future wealth. If it doesn't make money, they don't buy it on credit. 10. Having children too soon. Poor people tend to have children earlier and in greater numbers, without considering the financial responsibility. The rich wait until they can provide the best environment, ensuring their children's success and their own stability. By avoiding these habits, you could be one step closer to reaching your financial goals. What habits do you think keep people from becoming wealthy? Let us know in the comments.